God. I mean, I think the people who came to Just Got Lucky, they were really surprised because they had not seen Raymond for a while in a full-blown concert. So now, of course, the challenge is more because now they expect a lot more from him. But the thing is, the director is now his sister, who knows him best of all. So I think they will not be disappointed. It's going to be a show that's going to be fun, and it's going to be profound, and I think everybody will have a good time.
Well, there's a structure to it that is expected. Certain songs, certain ways of delivering it. But we will try and make it, well, my background is theater. So my training is theater. So I think it will be a little more theatrical. As you can tell if you've seen the concerts I've directed, they're very theatrical. So maybe that is what I will bring to the table. And since I know him very well, I know his comfort level, I know where he can shine the most. So those are the things I hope to be able to bring out in terms of this particular concert. So it's going to be a good concert on him turning 60. So I'm looking forward to it.
Ako rin, to look forward to the concert. Wala masyadong pressure kasi yung kahit na anong gawin ko, okay pa rin siya, magaling pa rin sa kumanta, magaling pa rin sa magsalita. So, hindi nga, there's very little I can do to ruin the concerts.
But you know, Marvin, I'm very proud of our repertoire. I think this repertoire is going to be even more of a crowd pleaser. And the arrangements of Marvin Garrido, talagang, oh wow. There are two medleys that I'm going to have a very difficult time singing because they're so beautiful. I have to stop myself from crying. But I'm very excited about this repertoire that we'll be sharing with people on November 28th.
Lance, would you like to ask a question?
To Sir Raymond, you've dabbled into arts in its various forms. So, how would you describe art to your life? From music to theater to visual arts, you've done it all. So, how do you see art in terms of its influence or its purpose in your life?
Art is my life. I cannot see my life being something worth living with having a story to tell without art being the central endeavor. That's how important art is to me. Even before I became aware of what beautiful photographs were, or what performance art was, or what lighting design or set design or any of these things, I had in my heart a desire to explore all things that were creative and things that could speak to people without using language. That's what I love about it. Art speaks. And for people like me who are shy, when you're not too intent on using words, you can use art, you can use music, you can use song to be your voice. So I cannot imagine myself not being or making some kind of art.
I'm aware po sa life or sa career na na-build up nyo since nga po fan yung family ko, especially my mother of you. So now, ito po, actually siya po yung nagtanong, but looking back, ano daw po yung favorite achievement niyo? Aside, siguro sa safest answer na pagiging husband and the loving father, ano daw po yung pinakang naging favorite or highlight ng career niyo?
Actually, yun talaga eh. Being a husband and a father, my family is my biggest achievement. my family. Now, you want to talk about the showbiz achievement? Siguro, the privilege of being a part of the soundtrack of people's lives. That is the gift that keeps on giving. Yung lalapitan ka ng tao and they say, you know, in my wedding, kinanta yung So It's You. Or, you know, nung high school ako, nag-break up kami, galit na galit ako sa'yo dahil I need you back, yung pumasok sa ulo ko. Or, you know, nung nag-graduate kami, up to now, sa reunion, kinakanta pa rin namin ang farewell. Or, you know, when life is difficult at nagmumuni-muni kami, your song, Saan Darating Ang Umaga, gives us so much encouragement. So, you know, that is a privilege, di ba? So I would say that, and the fact that people still care to listen to me after 40 years, that would be the biggest achievement.
Sorry, follow-up lang po. So, now, last year po, nag-help kayo ng 40 years in the industry, and now that you are set to be senior bagets, parang hindi po lahat ng artista or ng celebrities or singers is nabibigyan ng opportunity to celebrate their 60th birthday and having a big concert. So how are you feeling po na you are one of them? And then having incredible lineup of guests po.
I am just so grateful. I am so grateful. Tama ka, not everybody gets an opportunity like this. Not everybody gets to stay alive, period, at 60. I mean, if you look at the bagets, dalawa na sa amin ang wala na dito, di ba? So it's really a privilege, it's really a gift, and to be able to celebrate, you know, with people who would become a part of your story, a part of your life, in a beautiful theater, the Theater at Soler, di ba? Doing a beautiful show with excellent musicians, an excellent director, excellent producers. That is a God-given gift. And I intend to enjoy it to the max. Because His gifts are good. You know, His gifts are good. He doesn't give lousy gifts. So I just intend to enjoy it to the max. And just be grateful for it for the rest of my life.
Thank you so much.
Don't cry, don't cry.
You know, this is, it's just a dream come true. It's just a dream come true. Working on this show with this team, Marvin, my sister Menshu, who has known me since the day I was born. And, you know, my angels and Angela and Mia and GR. And GR has been such a blessing in my life. Ever since she started to handle me. Prior to this, Mia was handling me. No offense to me. How do I say this without offending her? But GR has brought out things in me.
Careful.
I know, I'm in deep trouble. I feel like the tree in Dance with the Wind. But GR
Walk out.
and her team, you know, with Arlene, have been able to bring out things in me